I'm living, I'm able, I'm breathing, I'm grateful.
Daniel, we glorify you. We lift up your name. Mighty.
You watch duty again. So we have the bassinet set, we have the hangers are out. So wash them before we put the clothes them on. To get my hair scrubbed done by big auntie. Big auntie. Yes, baby. Put it in the box, please. Thank you. Yes. Hmm? What it up? And we're here. We're here. We're here. We are here. How I get over? Mommy wiping down the drawers and then the closet, and then we're gonna do a whole 360 spin in this room. So when you see it, ain't gonna look like this. It ain't gonna look like this at all. So we're gonna set it in a way that if Mama needs to move in tomorrow, she can move in. This is the old bassinet we have. So I feel like I want to give it away, but I don't really know anybody like that to like give it away. But the thing with this one now, it needs plyboard. But you know, it can't be any plyboard like the one that's gonna attract Chichi. Because I was reading up and they said they had like a safe plyboard for babies. So that's the only thing you would need. Some sheets, a baby to go in, and a pillow and a mesh. That's all. But this one is gonna go now. We have the buckle storage container that we set up in the setting up vlog. If you haven't watched that one as yet, can go ahead and see the downfall, the downplay for those. And then these are all the bottles that we have so far. We're gonna get some more bottles, but not for now. I think we can work with these for the duration of time until we get some bigger Dr. Brown bottles, which I maybe just get like 4 more packs, because in total that would be 4, 8, 12, along with these little one that we have received as well. So we have glass bottle, plastic bottles, the bottle rock, so when you wash them we like put them up here, the thermos, our feeding pouch, so like when we're going on the road you can throw out our feeding in these, washing brush and pacifier. And you also have some bibs. I'm gonna wash all of these to be honest, so I just line them off here. So this is a section in the kitchen I say I'm gonna dedicate to have hers. I know it might be a little to get greasy and so forth, because Mom was saying that the grease, so we just have to continuously like wash it off and so forth. So it's gonna be a little corner. What I want to do too is get some little lights. Have some round lights from Amazon. I might be just press like a pack, so if anything that will come in that we can always just like press on it. I think if you tap it, the light will come on, so we can set up here. I wanted to get like the formulas and stuff for here, but I'm not sure in terms of like ants and stuff. So I might just dedicate it just for the bottles and the stuff, and then have the formula elsewhere. Even though it'd be nice to just have everything one place. So once you make and go, wash up, clean up, turn down and leave. But these are what we're currently having so far. So we're gonna wash these. Currently, Mommy cleaning the room. While Mommy cleaning the room, I'm in the kitchen cooking, and we're taking turns. So I can't sit down and chitty chat with y'all. So we're taking turns when it comes on to the cleanup. So gonna get this segment out of the way and then go and fold the clothes for both baby girls and set up the drawers in terms of like folding and organizing clothes. So I'm here using the snack pan that we have. I washed it out already. This I stand firm on a Milton thermos. Once you know one's still here, but wanted a new one for baby girls. I'm gonna unload all the bottles in here. Now, dinner now. This is the next set that we have. These are little pacifiers. So I'm afraid how to pull these and don't know how to put them. So I'm gonna just leave these until I watch. So like these are the bottles, but I'm gonna keep them as it is because I don't want to mess up the nipples. And I don't know how to restore them. Or maybe I could, what I could do is look on the nipples to see what goes what. And then from there, I'd able to like pull them, put them back. So pieces, but we are getting somewhere. We have a mixture of Dr. Brown, Phillips, the regular one, Even Flow as well. What else we have? We have some glass one coming over as well. So baby girl, these are my favorite. I'm really hoping that I can pump some milk. You know, I don't know what miracle guy's gonna work for me because the advance. We got some similar from overseas, so those are there. So hope that don't like go scarce on us. But these are little 2-ounce one there. And these good too, because sometimes like, we make the feeding and then shake it up, you have the little bubble form. For this now is that it trap the bubble so that it don't actually go up in the nipple. So these are how it's looking. These need to come off. One thing we eat when you go Chinese store and buy things, them just plaster the price tag unnecessary. And then these are the Dr. Brown. As I say, I stand firm on these. We have the glass one up to now for baby girl, although we need to throw them more. So this one is a 4-ounce one. 4-ounce. So the next that we're gonna buy are the 9-ounce one. So if you get a set of 4, it would be good. So I don't really think she needs so much, but if you get one set of 4, it's supposed to be okay. And then we got Tila as well. I don't know how this will come together. It's kind of hard, but there's a Tila on it. And then we have pacifiers. Then Ashley bought me some munchkin. I don't know what she take munchkin past them stage here. So I say, you know what? This is gonna pass over to baby girl. And then she have her little plate already, her suction plate already. So get her porridge and her Irish. And she have her fork and spoon. Well, and these are what we're gonna use to clean up. And then we got some plastic dips. Not going ready for them, but I'm washing every single one of them. I can put these up until I'm ready. And then we're done. I did all the washing now, so we're gonna try pour the water, hot water in, so kind of get like a deep bath steam. And then we're just gonna take the tongue and just like stir it up so everybody can get a little sterilization going on, which I didn't order the butter sterilizer because to be honest it was a little bit pricey. I know it would be good to like wash them and put them in, but some things are just priority, and for now I don't think that's priority right now. Like you want to like what I want? I'm gonna take one next one. These are washed and everything, so you just push it down on it. So when you push it down on it, it's not gonna escape. Yesterday we were trying to do it and it was like falling out, and we read the manual at the common. I need to just push it down. We need heavy force to snatch here because it was giving my mommy a warm time. I felt like it was breaking, so it literally have nowhere to go. Yes, baby. So when you put it through here and you pull it down, watch here. You see that it goes down instead of go up. Once it's up, it's gonna fall out loosely. So that is that. I'm gonna put on the next pot of water to boil. I want to submerge the buckles in the water. So I don't know if I count 15 buckles. I know I count more than 15. So we might have to put the bottles elsewhere. But they're coming down nicely. They're coming down nicely. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna look now. And then we can put some nipples up there. If anything, we can put some bottle cover there to drain. The pot that we wash them in, if anything, we can layer it with some towel like and let them drain before we convert them into the bottle storage. So I'm gonna try wipe this down as best as possible and then get them started. Everybody get a little touch up in them. Now we're gonna put on a mommy munchkin nappy that wasn't used over them just to make sure that there's not a bug that we might miss when we leave the kitchen, but that's how they're doing. Mommy load majority of them on. She's actually good. Right over here, so just put a napkin or towel down so that these can turn facing down to dry properly so that they can properly go in the store. And over here I dry this, self-dry this one as well, so we're pretty much good. Guys, I went ahead off camera and set up these. So I have nipples, pacifier, bottle covers along with the bottle cover for the little sippy cup, right? And then we have the bottle covers. Those are the little coverage for the Dr. Brown's bottle, yeah, and also for the little dinosaur and elephant one. And we have the formula storage, the filtration for the Dr. Brown along with the dinosaur bottles, and we have like the little cleaning brush, the spoon and fork. The plate is also in there as well, which I'm actually loving it. It actually holds all the stuff that is there. Might not need all of them, but I am literally obsessed. I am obsessed. So this will conclude the washing of the bottles and sterilization. So I'm gonna just put a little, what do you call it? I'm gonna put a nappy over them just to make sure that, you know, they're okay. And then I wash the thermos bottle and pack it, so it's gonna go in the corner over here. This one is pretty much empty. I was thinking of breaking it down and like when you're ready to use it, we'll put it back up, but I'm not gonna throw it. And then the thermos is gonna be there for now. But that concludes the bottle sterilization, so I'm loving it. Alright, so these are what we have so far. We have some little socks, we have soft rugs and like cotton rugs as well. These are some little shirty shirt, and then she have her sleeping pillow there, little headband and hats. You don't really have much hats, you don't really use as much hats. And these are all the blanket plus the 6 or 7 that went in the hospital bag. They're here. I'm not gonna use up all of them. I'm gonna try to preserve like 4 thereabout, so like when we're going out we'll have like new ones, because you know once you start washing them every week they're gonna fade. And then we have some little shimmies. Grandma and auntie purchased all the shimmies, and I'm just so excited. Like I feel like this is a nationality, like a nationality, a part of the nationality symbol. Like there's Aki and salt face, you know, jerk chicken arms. Yeah, this is it for the baby side. So I actually love them. So she have a set to come home to when you come from the hospital. And these are onesie that we need to sort through based on size. She only needs some more, but just working with these for now. And then we have some bibs that she gonna use. Oh, don't really want to put them on my skin, but little sister, I love that one. I love Daddy, sweet baby, heartbeat, you grow girl, adorable girl, and sweet, oh that's saying sweet thing. And then princess, little princess as well. Mommy starting old munchkin clothes. I think I did some short hauls for those, so she put like the church clothes away, and then we have the hangers and so forth. So we're just starting to put through. So next at for baby girl, and then on the caddy we kind of sort them. So rompers, the little tight set, and jean set, spaghetti set. We're gonna try put them together neatly so that we don't utilize too much of the closet space. So these are the ones you have 0 to 3, 6, 6 to 9. No, let me double check. Oh, these are 3 to 6, and then these are 6 to 9. These are some little small newborns. Let me show you. These are newborns. Some small size, but as I said, we're not really sure what size she's coming out with. So we're gonna have these set down for there. We have these little dress. These are like the bigger size and also smaller size. So we have things 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and then 12, and then this church just right here, and then some little shirt. That one's supposed to go up there as well. Turn them roll, let me see now. So those are the 12 to 18 months one. And Munchkin is here with me fighting for my iPad. And I'm super duper happy how my entire bear community came in and help out with gifting, help with washing, with packing out, setting up and everything. Even baby girl Munchkin was here. As much as she was giving me a lot of trouble, I'm just so happy that we're able to reach this far in the nesting series and getting stuff done before going to hospital. Because one thing I can tell you with pregnancy, especially when you're prepping, don't wait till last minute to get things done. Like, get it while the energy is up and high so that you can get things out of the way instead of forcing yourself to do. Because when you do that, sometimes it just don't work out. So to all my little community, I thank you guys so much for helping out for the second lap of my pregnancy. I'm so excited. Yay! So the closet come to life. Hubby had set it up, and I'm just happy, and my mommy just saw it organized, because the aim is to go in both of them closet and able to pick out what is needed. It's finished, so we have baby girl set here, a mixture of munchkin and baby girl, because we need more hangers to set up. Church clothes, going out dresses, going out two-piece and shirt set. Those are stuff that need to go on the hangers. So I have some jeans set, some little jogger set, and then church clothes for baby girl. Hopefully she can get through with all of these. And then we have some like going out clothes from munchkin time as well. So because I physically set good. And then the drawers, I need to get some minimal stuff to decorate up here. Minimal stuff to decorate. Yes baby. All right, sweep out for mama. But we basically done. Set up. This drawer pretty kind of slightly empty, but it will stack up back soon. Have an empty drawer there, all the new clothes and some of stuff that mama never sweep. That's sweep for mommy. Sweep stuff that never wear before. These are some miscellaneous shirts and dresses. Here now we have the beddings along with pillows. All the blankets here, and then bedding stuff. This one is empty for now. Yeah, so we're done.